how to create free RDP just in one click. So if you want to create free RDP, then what you need to do is open up a browser. Once you're here on the browser, check your internet connection. And if you have a stable internet connection, go for the search and search for app on fly. Once you search here, you will have this kind of interface where you will get www.apponfly.com. Click on that, and here you will have this kind of interface. Scroll down, and here you will have an option of start free trial, or you will have an option of buy. So what you need to do is simply click on start free trial. Now your RDP will be created by itself. So click on allow and your RDP has been created. So once you've created the RDP, now you can simply use this kind of interface, and this trial will expire in 15 minutes. So I have 15 minutes. If I subscribe, then I'll get some more minutes. But for now, I have 15 minutes, and for 15 minutes, I can use this RDP. So that's how you can create your free RDP for just from one click. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.